Installing a shower door might seem intimidating at first. Images of heavy glass panels, precise measurements, and tricky fitting work all come to mind. But with the right guidance and a few helpful tips, shower doors can be made easy, transforming your bathroom and providing a sleek, modern finish. Whether you're a weekend DIYer, a homeowner aiming to upgrade your bathroom, or simply curious about how the process works, let's break down the essentials to make installing, choosing, and maintaining shower doors a straightforward, stress-free experience. The journey begins with understanding your space. Bathroom layouts vary widely, and the first step is to measure your shower enclosure accurately. Use a good quality metal tape measure. Measure the width at both the top and bottom of the opening because walls can sometimes be slightly out of plumb. Also, take note of the height you want your shower door to reach, which usually stretches from the edge of your bathtub or shower base to a comfortable level near the shower head. These initial measurements are key to ensuring your new shower door fits perfectly, without unwanted gaps or overlaps. Next, let's talk about the types of shower doors available. There are framed doors, which have metal edging around all sides, frameless designs which use only minimal hardware for a clean look, and semi-frameless options, which strike a balance between the two. Your choice may depend on your budget, desired aesthetics, and how much maintenance you're willing to undertake. Framed doors are typically easier to install and more forgiving on measurements, while frameless doors offer that luxurious high-end spa appearance, perfect for modern renovations. Sliding doors save space in smaller bathrooms, while swinging doors need more clearance but can create a beautiful, airy feel. Once you've chosen your door, preparation is everything. Clear the area of toiletries, towels, and clutter. Give yourself an unobstructed workspace. Gather your tools. Most installations need a drill, a level, screwdriver, masking tape, silicone sealant, and safety gear like gloves and goggles. If dealing with glass panels, always handle them carefully and keep them upright until you're ready for installation. Now comes the installation itself. Begin with the shower door's bottom track or threshold if your model requires one. This piece guides the door's movement and helps prevent water leaks. Place it on the shower base, ensuring it's centered and aligned with your enclosure's edges. Mark the position lightly with a pencil or masking tape. With the threshold marked, lift it and run a bead of silicone sealant along the shower base. This keeps water from seeping under the track or threshold. Press the threshold into place, and if installing a frame, attach the vertical side rails next. Most door frames come pre-drilled with holes for securing them to the wall. Drill pilot holes, use a masonry bit if going into tile, and anchor the frame with the provided fasteners. This moment is a good time to check all components with a level. A crooked frame can cause doors to stick or leak over time. Make any needed adjustments before tightening everything down. Attention to detail here pays off with smoother operation and a professional finish. For hinged or pivot doors, attach the hinging hardware to the frame or wall per the manufacturer's instructions. Then, with the help of a friend, carefully lift the glass panel onto the hinges and secure it in place. Double-check all fastenings for stability. Sliding doors, on the other hand, typically involve lifting the glass panels onto rollers and fitting them into the top and bottom tracks, adjusting tension as needed for smooth movement. The finishing touches make all the difference. Most shower doors need a final bead of silicone around the frame edges to ensure watertight seals. Smooth the caulk with a finger or finishing tool for a neat, clean appearance. Allow the silicone to cure per instructions, usually at least 24 hours before using the shower. Installing a new shower door brings instant transformation to your bathroom, but it's not just about the build. Proper maintenance extends the life and beauty of your new investment. Use a squeegee after each shower to prevent soap scum and water spots on the glass. Clean regularly with a gentle cleanser. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the glass coating or hardware. Check hardware periodically to ensure screws remain tight and door movement stays smooth. If you encounter issues like sticking, squeaking, or leaking, these are usually easy to resolve. Basic adjustments to the rollers, hinges, or repositioning the door can restore proper function. reapply silicone as needed to renew the waterproof seal. For long-lasting durability, periodically treat glass doors with water-repellent sprays designed to minimize spotting and streaking. Choosing the right shower door isn't just about function, it's an opportunity to showcase your design sense. Glass doors can enhance natural light in your bathroom, making even small spaces feel more open. Opt for clear or low-iron glass for maximum clarity, or choose frosted or patterned glass for added privacy. Hardware finishes like polished chrome, matte black, or brushed nickel allow you to coordinate with existing fixtures for a cohesive and stylish aesthetic. In some cases, you might want to consider professional installation, especially for large, heavy, or custom-made glass panels. Many manufacturers offer expert installers who can handle unique layouts or frameless doors with precision. However, for standard framed or sliding models, following the manufacturer's instructions and applying a bit of patience makes this a rewarding DIY project that adds value to your home. Ultimately, Shower Doors Made Easy is about demystifying the process, empowering you with practical know-how, and highlighting the satisfaction that comes from a job well done. A new shower door keeps water where it belongs, elevates the look of your bath space, and just might provide that daily spark of pride every time you step in for a refreshing start or a relaxing end to your day. Whether you're tackling your first install or weighing your options, remember, patience is key. Precision pays off, and the result, a gleaming, well-fitted shower door, can be more accessible than you ever imagined. With thoughtful choices, a little planning, and some simple tools, installing a shower door truly is made easy.